Hi guys, today I have a challenge for you. We're going to read some words using the digraph sound k. First, you try, and then we'll read the word together. Just to make it more fun, the clock will be ticking. You've got 7 seconds to read each word. Let's go! O, k, sock. D, a, k, duck. T, a, k, truck. K, o, k, clock. B, I, k, brick. O, k, et, rocket. Well done. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.